Here I have OPPO A94 5G, and today I'm going to show you how to take a burst shot or the series of photos on this device. So firstly you have to open camera, then switch to the normal photo mode, and what you have to do is to just hold down shutter button, and after that the burst shot will start. So let me show you. So I'm just holding it, taking a burst shot, and as you can see right now I took like 20 shots. Here you can review them all. So yeah, here is my burst shot. I just move the camera. Oh, and that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.